In this video, I want to share how we make the clip-on extensions. Firstly, we use the bundle web and we need to cut it. Before we cut it, we need to measure the webs and check how many pieces we need to cut. Normally, we cut 7 to 8 pieces for each pack of the clip-on extension. So let me show you the step-by-step. Okay, it's going to cut all the web. If the customers don't tell us how many pieces to make for each pack of clip-on extension, normally we make 7 to 8 pieces each pack. In this video is the kinky straight clip-on extension. Okay, get it done. And now we use the silicone clips. And we put the double webs together and solder with the silicone clips. Okay, the worker is starting to make the clip-on extension now. Silicone clips, remember, silicone clip. So you need to go back and forth. Okay, cut the line. This is the small piece with one clip on, the clip with one clip. And we have the long piece with 3 clips or 4 clips on the web. So after we get it done, after we saw all the clips on the web, then we will wrap the packs again. And use a secure tight to hold the whole pack tight. And then use a scissor to cut it.